Hi, this is Jed with ForexStrategySecrets.com. I'm here again with Tony Gomez. We were talking about a trade he took today in our trading room, and I wanted him to share what he was doing. And we're going to talk specifically about the add-on trades that he took here at this point. I'm going to turn the time over to you, Tony. We're looking at a 5-minute chart, right, on the euro pound, correct?
Right. This is where I did my trading, on the 5-minute chart on the euro pound. Now, as you could see, I did my initial entry on the Norwood alert here. Now, if you notice, those people that have the nth degree already will know that this is only a 4-alarm trade. So what I used as my add-on signal is when it turned into a 5-alarm trade, which happened here. Well, actually, it happened here, so I was a little late in the add-on, but this turned into a 5-alarm trade. That was an indication to add on to the position based on what the other time frames were saying. If you look at the
Tony,
other time
I see there where your stop losses have been placed, and I really think that is crucial to share here. I think it's going to be good for people to see that you exercised good money management, but also have to pay while it went sideways for that little while.
Right. No, absolutely. My stop loss was placed here. Well, you can't really. Let me just scroll back here. My stop loss was placed here. And it's jumping around. There we go. Was placed there, right at the fractal.
Yep.
And I went ahead and left it there. So while this was happening, I didn't really worry about it because on the higher time frames, I knew I was in the direction of the trend. So I didn't really worry about it.
One of the stronger points for putting the position the way you did and playing it the way you did, because you knew you were in the direction of the trend, even though it went sideways for 20 time frames.
Sure. Well, and that's not very long when you're in a 5-minute chart.
Correct.
So wasn't that big of a deal?
That's a very short period of time.
Yeah, that's not very long at all. You know, and having the one-on-one coaching that I've had with you, Jed, taught me patience. So I exited here because I got exit indicators here with the hot lines. Then I started, because the trend was strong on the higher time frames, I didn't just exit and then forget about this trade. I still kept my initial position on, exited my add-on, but looked for a second add-on position. Okay, knowing that the trend was strong.
Let's go to your 1-minute chart and look at that exit on that initial trade, or that add-on trade, and the re-entry on that second entry. I really like what those were demonstrating.
Now let's go back here, and there we go. That's my first exit. I exited on the 1 minute. It ended up being an up alert, which is pretty good.
And that's a sound exit signal too there. You look at the cross on the hot lines and closing twice above the purple. Everything worked perfect on that. That was a textbook close. Good job.
Yep. Then my re-entry was here. I re-entered and exited there and then exited my main position as well. And let me go back to the 5-minute and show you what that looks like. Re-entry here after that green bar, okay, because I know that the trend is strong on the higher time frames. Grab some more pips there. The hot lines start coming back together. I get a green bar here. I know it's time to exit.
And a good way to view that trend is to even look at our trend alert there, Tony, with the arrows and the time frames in the black boxes. It allows you to look at take it at a glance. And you can even scroll from one time frame to another by just clicking on the time frame to verify what you're seeing on that chart. So it works out beautiful.
Yep. It's a great tool to have. You know, at a glance, what's going on in the other time frames so that I could pull the trigger quicker and get a better position.
Well, this has been a good little trade. I appreciate you sharing that with the rest of the world here. Apologize to all those who are listening to the audio. Is a little bit choppy. We're having some inclement weather that's interfering with the signal. But overall, we hope this has been educational for you and helped you to see how the Nth Degree Trading System can be used to put add-on positions onto a trade or into trades on trends that you're already in. This is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets. We will talk to you later.